Hello, credit warriors. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair digital market, innovations in payment solutions for 2023? Join us for an insightful exploration of credit repair industry, backed by over 20 years of unparalleled expertise. Discover the power of our strategic partnerships with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, Wells Fargo, and more. With a track record of assisting over 50,000 merchants, we take pride in our commitment to domestic U.S. support, available 24/7. Uncover how we stand ready to assist you whenever you need us, redefining the landscape of credit repair solutions. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Understanding credit repair payment processing. It encompasses accepting payments from customers for services rendered, managing recurring payments, and ensuring secure and timely transactions. By implementing a robust payment processing system, businesses can provide their customers with convenient and reliable payment options. Credit repair merchant processing. By partnering with a reputable credit repair merchant processing provider, businesses can access secure and efficient payment processing solutions tailored to their specific needs. This allows them to focus on their core business while leaving the intricacies of payment processing to the experts. E-commerce credit card processing. E-commerce credit card processing plays a crucial role in facilitating online transactions. By integrating a reliable e-commerce credit card processing solution, businesses can provide their customers with a seamless and secure payment experience, leading to increased conversions and customer satisfaction. Accepting credit cards for e-commerce. Credit cards are one of the most widely used payment methods, and customers expect the convenience of paying with their preferred cards. By partnering with a payment processing provider that enables the acceptance of credit cards for e-commerce, businesses can cater to customer preferences and drive sales. High-risk payment processing. Specialized high-risk payment processing solutions cater to the unique needs of these businesses. By partnering with a reputable high-risk payment processor, credit repair businesses can overcome the challenges associated with high-risk transactions and expand their customer base. CBD merchant account. Specialized payment solutions providers offer tailored CBD merchant accounts to facilitate secure payment processing. By leveraging a dedicated CBD merchant account, businesses can navigate the intricacies of CBD payment processing while adhering to industry-specific regulations. Credit repair payment gateway. By integrating a reliable credit repair payment gateway, businesses can enhance the security and efficiency of their payment processing, building trust with their customers and ensuring a smooth payment experience. Credit card processing for e-commerce. By leveraging secure and efficient credit card processing solutions, businesses can accept credit card payments from their customers seamlessly. This not only enhances the customer experience but also provides businesses with the opportunity to expand their reach and increase revenue. E-commerce gateway. It facilitates the secure transmission of payment data, verifies transactions, and ensures a smooth payment process. By integrating a reliable e-commerce gateway, businesses can offer their customers a secure and user-friendly payment experience, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. If you're looking for cutting-edge payment solutions for your business, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, for over 20 years, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.